My name is Vishnu Gopal T V. I am a legal intern at LEXIS and Company. I am from Cooperative School of Law, Kerala. I am a third year student pursuing BBA LLB Honors. So today's topic for this video is right to life and personal liberty. So the purpose of this video is to speak about the right to life and personal liberty, and this article 21 of the part 3 of the Indian Constitution states that no person shall be deprived of his life or personal liberty except according to the procedure established by law. So the concept of the right to life and personal liberty guaranteed under Article 21 of the Indian Constitution will be clear when we analyze certain important case laws. So in one of the important case, A.K. Gopalan versus State of Madras, here communist leader A.K. Gopalan was detained under the Preventive Detention Act 1950, and which was challenged by him as violative of the right to freedom of movement guaranteed under Article 19 Clause 1D of the Indian Constitution, which is an essential part of personal liberty. So here the arguments of the petitioner is that the personal liberty includes this freedom of movement except the restrictions which has been imposed under Article 19 Clause 5 of the Indian Constitution. So the court clearly explained that Article 21 of the Indian Constitution deals with the procedural rights and Article 19 of the Indian Constitution deals with the substantive rights. So here Article 19 affords protection against unreasonable restrictions, while Article 21 guarantees the protection against the total loss of personal liberty. So, the freedom guaranteed under Article 19 of the Indian Constitution can only be enjoyed when he is a free man and not when his personal liberty is deprived under a valid law. So this case, that is this A.K. Gopalan versus State of Madras, is one of the important case that has to be looked into. So when we analyze another important case, that is Menaka Gandhi versus Union of India, it's another important case. Here the petitioner's passport was seized by the central government under Section 10 Clause 3 Clause C of the Passports Act 1967. So the section has authorized the government to do so in the interest of the general public if it is necessary. So in this case, the court held that Section 10 Clause 3 Clause C of the Passports Act 1967 is unreasonable because without giving a reasonable opportunity to be heard, the executive action is unfair and unjust. So the prosecution established by the law requires the following conditions, such as there must be a valid law, the law must provide a procedure, as well as the law must specify the requirements of Article 14 and Article 19 of the Indian Constitution. So in another important case, that is Aruna Ramachandra Shanbhog versus Union of India. Here in this case, the court clearly held that passive euthanasia can be done upon a person who is in permanent vegetative state only with the consent of their parents, spouse or close relatives, and such decisions should always require the approval from the High Court. And also in P. Rathinam versus Union of India, here the court held that right to life guaranteed under Article 21 of the Indian Constitution includes right to die. But in another important case, Gayan Kaur versus State of Punjab, the court overruled the decision by the made in this P. Rathinam versus Union of India and held that right to life guaranteed under Article 21 of the Indian Constitution does not include right to die. So that's all about this Article 21 of the Indian Constitution. We have looked into its importance and we have analyzed some of the important and some of the relevant case laws under Article 21 of the Indian Constitution. So that's all about the topic. So you can like, subscribe and comment on my video, and do like and subscribe our YouTube channel Lexcliq. Please give me a feedback of this video, and if you have any questions related to this video, you may please comment that question in the comment box. I will be replying as soon as possible. This video does not solicit any types of promotion or advertisement as per the guidelines of the Bar Council of India, and the sole purpose of this video is for educational purposes only. So by saying these words, I am concluding. Thank you.